Hi, this is White Rings. Today we will see the grammar part, question tag. Question tag or tag question turn a statement into a question. They are often used for checking information that we think we know is true. Now, we learn how to form question tag. A question tag is the shortest form of a question using the verb plus pronoun. Remember, it starts with a small letter and ends with a question mark. A positive statement uses a negative tag. A negative statement uses a positive tag. It has many types. First one, statements with the auxiliary verb. Example, it is bright. It's a positive statement. It doesn't have any negative word like not, none, never, anything. Then, it also have a auxiliary verb is. Question tag always start with the auxiliary verb. So for this sentence, is the auxiliary verb, so the question tag also starts with the is. The sentence has no negative word, so we should add a negative word in the question tag, is not. Finally, write the pronoun of the subject, it. Thus, the question tag of this sentence is not it, meaning isn't it. Next example, Shobana can't dance. In this sentence, can is the modal auxiliary. So start with the auxiliary verb can. Then the sentence has a negative word not. So in the question tag, there is no negative word. Finally, write the pronoun of the subject she. Thus, can she is the question tag. Number 2. Some sentence doesn't have auxiliary verb. Example, the cuckoo sings beautifully. In this sentence, sings is the verb. It is the main verb. So we have to divide it does plus sing. Now start with the does. Since the sentence doesn't have any negative word, we should add negative word not in the question tag. Then pronoun of the subject it. Thus, doesn't it is the question tag of this example. One more example. Sachin broke the world record. Here broke is the main verb, so we divide it as did plus break. Then start the question tag with the did. The sentence has no negative word, so add it in the question tag. Then pronoun of the subject. Then add the pronoun of the subject. Thus the question tag is didn't he. Using little, few, scarcely, hardly, rarely. These words consider as negative words. Example, few planets can be seen. We can start with the auxiliary verb can. Then here, few is the negative word, so no need to add any negative form in the question tag. Then pronoun of the subject they. Thus, can they is the question tag. One more example. They rarely lose their points. Divide the verb into two and add the auxiliary form. Rarely is the negative word, so no need to add any negative word in this sentence. Then add a pronoun. Thus, do they is the question tag. Remember, few, little is the negative word. Meanwhile, a few, a little is the positive words. Number 4, imperative sentence. Let's go for a walk. If any imperative sentence start with the let's, there is a common question tag shall we. For other all simple request, use will you. Example, pass me the book, will you is the question tag. For the urgent request, we can use want you. Example, send the email immediately. For this sentence, want you is the question tag. Number 5. Statements using each, every, someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, none. These words take the pronoun they. Example, everybody cheered, didn't they? Someone can do it, can't they? Meanwhile, something, everything takes the pronoun it. See this example, everything ended peacefully, didn't it? So viewers, I hope you all understood this grammar part. If you have any doubt, comment it below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.